As we go through Module 6 in this series, you're going to find that a lot of these videos, and there are a lot of them this time, are going to be very, very short. So take heart. Don't worry about the fact that there are so many. Many will be only 1 minute or less in length. First of all, we want to just talk about what the application layer is and the purpose of the application layer, and that is simply to provide users and programs with network access. So the user may be a person or a program. This might be Microsoft Word, it might be something I type into the command line, or some other program, and that program uses the application layer protocols. And I've listed a few of them here. These are ones that we will talk about later on in the course. So when you think of the word application layer, don't think of an application. The application layer are those protocols that are available to applications that it can use in order to do some sort of networking.